This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming you're signed into Teams with the correct account and permissions for the channel. Once done, open the channel where Notes live, click the plus tab to add a new tab, and choose OneNote. Make a decision: attach an existing notebook or create a fresh one for this team. This step shapes access and organization. Make sure to set notebook permissions now so teammates can view or edit immediately. Doing it upfront prevents access delays later. Once the notebook is added, organize it into sections like meetings, projects, and quick notes so content is discoverable. Create pages per topic and use the editor to insert files, images, checklists, and inline tags. You can also mention teammates to notify them. Make use of section groups for related projects and rely on search to find items quickly. Sync runs automatically, but manually sync if you expect urgent updates. Doing these structural steps. To finish, share the notebook link in channel chat and pin the OneNote tab so everyone knows where to work. Integrate with Planner and Meeting Notes by linking specific pages to tasks, and ensure the notebook is saved to OneDrive for backups. If collaborators report missing edits, check permissions, confirm network connectivity, and try a manual sync or restarting Teams. As a quick troubleshooting tip, reopening the notebook or clearing cache often resolves sync conflicts and restores up-to-date content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.